One of the most frequently asked questions from beginners in print-on-demand business: why is it important to promote your beauty design and products on social media? Thus, in this video, I'd like to show you some amazing reasons why you got to promote your beauty design and products on social media. In addition, some amazing tips you have to keep in your mind to get the most out of your print-on-demand marketing. And of course, I have talked about how to promote your designs and products professionally on different social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, and so on, in different forms like YouTube videos and blog posts. And you can find all of them below in the description box. And now let's begin with the first part of this video, which is the importance of print-on-demand marketing. So the point number one is stand out of the crowd. Of course, if you're working in print-on-demand platform like Etsy, Merch, Amazon, and Redbubble, you could find a huge competition there. That way, you don't have to depend only on organic sales from search results. You have to get more sales from different channels. And the point number two, you can expand your reach. Of course, by promoting your POD designs and products on social media, you can increase your reach and reach potential customers from all around the world. And the point number three, you can get more leads. Of course, social media is a great way to get more leads and help more to promote your print-on-demand products. And the point number four, you can get more traffic to your store. For sure, by promoting your products and designs on social media, you can drive more traffic to your store on your POD platform like Redbubble, Merch, TeePublic, and so on. Therefore, you can increase the chances of people purchasing your products. And that point leads us to the next point, which is by promoting your POD designs on social media, you could increase your organic sales indirectly. So how is that? By promoting your POD designs on social media, you can increase your CTR or click-through rates. And that way, your POD website feels your design is highly required and demanded. Therefore, the algorithms of your POD website push your designs higher on search results to get more sales and increase your profits out of the design. And the next point is brand awareness. Of course, when it comes to online business, you have to build your brand awareness as a featured artist who has creativity and the passion to create beautiful design that express people's feelings. That way, you can create your store in your POD platform and build your business pages on social media platforms like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, and so on with your business name and your logo. That way you can build your online brand. And the next point is build your online community. Of course, by making your brand, you have to build your community from followers and audience who are waiting for your new releases of designs and products. And you can engage with them and listen to their feedbacks and reviews. And the next point is post your word-of-mouth marketing. Of course, by leveraging social media, you can increase word of mouth of your products and encourage your people and your audience to share their experience to each others. And the next point, by promoting your products on social media, you can announce your offers and your discounts like in Cyber Monday, Black Fridays, and so on, or in some occasions and holidays like Christmas, Halloween, and so on. So the best way to announce your offers and your discounts is by promoting your designs on social media. And the next point is to be ahead of competition on social media regarding trending topics, trending events, and so on. Therefore, you can go with the flow and be a step ahead of competition. And now let's move on to the next part of this video. Is some amazing tips you have to keep in mind while promoting your POD designs and products on social media. The first one is have to use professional mockups that showcase the beauty of your designs, because mockups play a big role in the emotional engagement with your audience that suit different cases, different occasions, different races, different ages, and so on, rather than the generic and the normal mockups found on your POD platform. Number two is the continuity. You have to be continuous on social media. You have to be always active on social media to promote your products on a daily basis. For example, on Instagram, you have to create Instagram Reels up to 5 times to be more viewable at different times. And the point number three, when it comes to build your community, you have to work in a specific niche. to gather many people around your content. So you can work in a specific niche like dog niche, cat niche, birthday niche, and so on. And tip number 4, you have to come up with the trending topics on social media, especially on TikTok and Instagram. So you have to copy the templates, the trending songs, the trending music, and so on to give people what they love. And the tip number 5, when you are working on social media, you don't have to promote only and post only your products. Just you can post anything related to your niche and your topics. For example, if you're working in dog niche, so you can post every once in a while some funny videos about dogs, some funny quotes, some infographics, and so on and so forth. That way you can increase your people engagement with posts and your brand. And to this end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.